Hi, everybody. This is our last screencast for the year. I wanted to go through the work for the week. This week, we're kind of gonna just do like a little wrap up work, do a little review from the past year, see what we've learned. Um, Monday, go formative. On Tuesday and Thursday, you're gonna have some IXL choice time. And Wednesday, you have a graph of the week. And then Friday, if you have anything to catch up on. I want to run through them quickly, and that's all the plan is for this week. So the Go Formative this week, it kind of goes through each of the topics that we've covered and asks a couple of questions about each of them. I don't want you to stress out if you don't remember something. Like, if you don't remember something from October, that's fine. It was October, that was a long time ago. But I want you to kind of see if this jogs your memory a little bit. Um, and see what you remember. This is not something to, like, if you don't remember specific things, it's not a time to stress out, but it's really a time to celebrate all of the work that you've done and what you have learned as we go through. It is a little bit long, but it is all multiple choice, so um, hopefully it won't take you too long. Again, it's just a way to kind of think about the end of the year, think about all the work that we've done. I usually like to do this because in the future, you will have to do things like finals, not in sixth grade, but in high school. And it starts to, I want to have a time where you can start thinking about the year as a whole and think about, like, well, what were the most important things that we did? What were the big topics? And so, as a way to kind of do a little bit of early prep work for the idea of maybe someday in a couple of years having to do a final. So that is your Monday Go Formative graph of the week. You have a little temperature chart to look like and answer a couple questions with. And then on Tuesday and Thursday, what I'm going to have you do, it's very similar to the idea of the Go Formative. I've made this list of all of the IXL lessons that cover topics we did in science this year. I also starred them on IXL. I don't know 100% what your IXL looks like because I only started using this during distance learning. But if you do, if somehow you get to see the stars, they've been starred. And I wanted to do that. So, and so on Tuesday and Thursday, I want you to pick one of these lessons. Maybe pick one that you, like, when we talked about it in class, you didn't quite understand it or you had a hard time with it and you want to try again. Sometimes, you are, a few months older and maybe it'll make a little bit more sense this time. Maybe the way they explain it on IXL is different than the way I explained it, and maybe that'll clue something in and all of a sudden it'll make sense. So I want you to pick one on Google Classroom. Just let me know which one you picked so I can go in and then give you credit for the work that you've done. Again, I expect either 20 minutes or SMART score of 80 or above. And I'm going to kind of leave this for you guys. I know no one wants to think about summer work, but this might be something to come back to over the next couple months to kind of try a few of these, see how you do with them, especially if there's one that you found challenging in the moment. Sometimes taking a break from thinking about it and then going back, all of a sudden it'll make so much more sense. So I'm going to give you guys access to this Google Doc as well as everything is starred on IXL itself. So that is the work for the week. I will see you guys during office hours. I have something fun planned for office hours as well. So that is on Tuesday and Thursday for me at 1 p.m. And the link is on our Cluster One Google Classroom. And other than that, that will be it. for this week. Following week, we have a short week and we have some fun things planned for you as well that week. So keep an ear out and we will let you guys know what the plan is. One of those fun things is going to be the talent show. There is still a little bit of time if you want to send something in. I would love to see and we would love to celebrate your accomplishments. It does not have to be a big production. If you want to send me video, audio, pictures, whatever, I'm thoroughly surprised I have not yet received a TikTok dance from anyone. I'm shocked with the amount of time that you guys have practiced your TikTok dances. So, I'm floored none of you have submitted one. Maybe that'll change by the time the talent show is ready to go. Hope you guys have a wonderful week. I will see you in office hours and enjoy. Bye, guys.